A fantastic medium spiced curry. This prawn balti is ready in 25 minutes. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, prawn balti is of course an absolute takeaway classic, and normally a balti is cooked in a little balti dish, but I haven't got enough of those to serve my family of 4, so I'm going to cook it all in a nice big frying pan. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of ghee or sunflower oil to a large frying pan and heat it over a medium to high heat. Add a large onion that's been peeled and chopped into large chunks to the pan, and cook for about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's just starting to soften. Now add in a roughly chopped red and green bell pepper, plus 2 minced cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 1 green chilli that's been thinly sliced, and 2 cardamom pods, and then fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until just starting to soften. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon each of ground cumin, ground coriander, turmeric and paprika, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and hot chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or paste. Stir it all together to coat the vegetables. Now add in a 400 gram or 14 ounce can of finely chopped tomatoes, along with 120 ml or 1/2 cup of chicken stock. I'm also going to add in some fresh tomatoes. You can use 2 medium tomatoes that have been chopped, or about 6 cherry tomatoes that have been chopped in half. Stir together, bring to the boil, and simmer for about 5 minutes until the sauce is slightly reduced. Now add in about 20 to 25 raw king prawns that have been shelled and deveined. Stir it all together and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the prawns are pink and cooked through. Then serve the curry on top of some boiled rice and top with some freshly chopped coriander. I love to serve mine with chapati too to scoop it up. And that's my 25-minute prawn balti, one of 100 recipes in my new book, It's All About Dinner. See you next time.